So that's a good thing, what you're experiencing, that means Krishna's paying attention to you and that your chanting is proper and your devotional life is proper. Because when offenses are there continually, without stopping, then the knowledge gets covered and the taste disappears and the sweetness becomes bitter and one loses his interest in chanting altogether. So there's a thin line between gopis speak the same way. When you were saying that, I feel like quitting this chanting. I said, it sounds like two gopis speaking about Krishna. I feel like just quit this Krishna. And as soon as you were saying that, I said, this sounds like a gopi, one gopi speaking to another. I'm fed up with this Krishna. Sometimes it makes me so happy, I feel so much bliss. And other times he just fries me to the max. He tells me I'll be there, and I say, for sure, you won't stand me up. No. I don't worry, you can trust me, I won't stand you up. So I really believed him, I trusted him. I decorated the kunja very nicely, and Vasik Sajika, I was a Vasik Sajika Nayak. I was waiting for him eagerly and waiting for him, and I decorated the kunja very nice. And myself, my manjaris decorated me and ornamented me so beautifully and beautiful perfumes. And he didn't come. He's such a kapat, such a cheat, and such a dort and kapat. Dortendra, he's a dortendra. The words they use like this, always the king of cheaters. So the bhakta is saying, the bhakta, we're just neophytes in devotion, and we're complaining about Krishna just like the gopis. They're chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it means you're in Krishna's Leela with Radha and Krishna. You're saying, what is this Krishna? Sometimes there's so much sweet, and next time there's nothing. I feel like quitting. I'm quitting this chanting. That's why I said when I started my conversation, your chanting isn't Gopi Bhav. If you understand the synthesis of it all. You can ask Krishna. People are always asking God, why are you doing this and why are you doing that? why you made a world where there's suffering? Why isn't everybody always happy? Sometimes when people ask me all these why God did this and why God did that, I say, I can't say, but when you meet him, why don't you ask him? Let me know, okay? Send me an SMS when you get the answer. Spiritual message of service. When you go to the spiritual world, you can ask God. And he'll just look at you and say, it's my fun. What is it? What kind of fun is this, man? So you can't. The buck stops there. You can't argue with the judge when he passes your case is argued with the lawyers argue for or against you, and finally when the supreme judge in the Supreme Court makes the ruling, there's no appeal. That's it. You're gone. So Krishna is the supreme. So however he does it, however he says it, however he wants it, that's how it is. Dasasmi, Sharanagati.